Traditional BI applications have a generic approach to business intelligence. Introducing OneView, a reporting accelerator app focusing on manufacturing metrics. Think of it like business intelligence for manufacturing execution. OneView provides out-of-the-box metrics and rolls up plant data across your sites. It's designed for middle to senior managers. OneView is your go-to accelerator app for real-time manufacturing KPIs. Quickly view the KPIs relevant to you on a desktop or mobile. The analytics provide a quick understanding of where your business is right now so you can make smarter and faster decisions. You'll see a summary of the overall scorecard metrics for all sites on the left. On the right are scorecard metrics for each plant. You can even dive deeper into a plant to see the metrics for each line. At the bottom, view the metrics for different time frames. And easily collaborate with your team. We call this collaboration with context. When someone posts a message to OneView, others are notified not only to the message, but the relevant data associated with the message. You can also analyze a wide range of trends and other analytics relevant to your organization. Hover over the graphs to see more details. And with OneView, you can set goals to keep your team motivated and on track. The blue lines are your current performance. The sliders allow you to set different goal attainment scenarios. The left panel shows the resulting overall performance based on your goals. OneView is a mobile-first design. Information is accessible anywhere. So what's right for you, traditional business intelligence or OneView? The answer is both, so you can get the right information to the right people at the right time. Contact us today for a one-on-one personalized demonstration.